Hello world. So today is part 2 of building Cronwatch in 5 parts. So last time I built the generated designs, the architecture, generated the React Native app, and had it running on Expo. Today I set up the App Store subscriptions in App Store Connect. I created the proxy API, had the time entries tested and working on the phone, and then created the landing page, created the icons. So this is the landing page. Let me walk you through the landing page. Um, I will update the text a little bit, but generally this is pretty good. Okay, features, you capture with the voice and it displays like this. And I'm going to add privacy. So 3 steps, very simple. Then you see your whole day, what you did, and subscription, and links, and footer. That's great. So this is the terminal running Metro's app. This is the the open source GitHub repo. This is the designs of the icon that I generated, the landing page, paywall. So in the App Store Connect, created the subscriptions. That took probably the longest. Like there's a couple of gotchas here that make the subscriptions not ready to submit until you have like the availability configured. And this image, which I created in Figma, creating Figma, where is it? Here, generated this frame that has to be exact dimensions, and connected to revenue cap. It's still not connected though. Not showing up. It's not syncing yet with the App Store. So the Firebase database, you can see that it's saving it in AWS and getting the entries here. Then so I asked it to generate the landing page from the designs from Cloud Design. Then I gave it SSH keys to my DigitalOcean server. Then asked it to deploy it there, copy the files over, create the Nginx configuration and the PM2 and a deploy script. And so we did that. And I bought this domain name from Namecheap. Um, so it's set up with the SSL configuration. And then also created the proxy API. So it's this API dot health, and this allows the API keys to be secure on a server and not in the client of the app. So then I can show you that it works by testing it. Um, so um, so this is the homepage and shows you the time. This is the list or the table, the calendar page. It shows you all the categories. There's a list page that shows you the detail of each entry, and you can listen to it as it's recorded. You may want to. I worked from 8 p.m. till. Um, then it has the settings page. From 9 till 9:30, I took a breathwork class, saving, processing entry. There's that toast notification. It's just that simple. Couldn't save entry. Let's retry. Maybe network connection or something. Okay, didn't save it, but I will check out what happened there. I think it should be in the servers. Um, okay, anyway. So yeah, I've been using this Cloud Code instance. This is the server running. Here it just built a new list tab that I just showed you. Here, um, here I'm like refactoring some of the how the data is structured. So there's some modifications. And this is the landing page server. So landing page, this is the open source project here on GitHub. And the database is Firestore here with authentication with Apple and Gmail. So it's looking good so far. Then part 3, I will. Oh, so here's the code, by the way. So there's the client, the design folder. Client is the React Native app. The docs has the markdowns. Okay, markdown documentation. Server is the proxy server with the Nginx configuration. Has a Docker file, interestingly, and the Next.js app. So next, part 3 will be I have to test it more, make it such that it captures more multiple time entries in one voice recording, and so that the subscription should be working with Revenue Cat. Update the text on the landing page and test the Android version. I will test it on the device, and then that's day 3. Part 4, I will take that next step. So for now, I will end it here. Thank you for watching, and part 4 is coming next. Peace. Part 3, actually. Yeah, part 3.